Hello guys, in this video we are going to make the movement jump, so let's get started. This movement was hard for me and I did the code a little bit weird, and I will fix it in another video. For now it works. We are going to add a rigid body component to our fighter player. We have to set some properties: gravity scale in 0 and collision detection in continuous. Now we are going to create the variables that we are going to use to jump. I'm just going to let all the variables run together. Now type rigid body 2D as rigid body. Next, float axis Y, and the last bull is jumping. First, we need to get the rigid body component with get component from our player, and it's going to start as a slip, because we don't need the physics force right now. Next, we have to get the input button to make jump our player, using this condition. Input get button down, jump, that is space, and is not jumping, then we have to record the last axis Y. Change is jumping in true, and we have to start the physics in rigid body. Assign it gravity scale equals 1.5f, call the method wake up, and we need to add force. With new vector 2, transfer position x plus 7.5f, and I forgot one variable here. Its public float jump force equals 300. That is the last parameter in our vector 2. I have to put the x position with this number to zoom, because our player is jumping backward when it is idle. Next, we need to start the animation. Type animator, set bull is jumping, and our variable is jumping. Now we can test it. As you can see, our fighter player has gone. We need to implement the landing method. Type void on landing, and here we have to change its jumping variable to false. Reset our rigid body to stop the physics. Assign the axis Y equals Y position, and set false the is jumping animation. We are going to call this method above the condition jump, asking if Y position is less or equal axis Y variable. Now we can test our jump movement again. And I'm sorry, I have recorded this video months ago. You can put this code into fix update, because fix update works better with the physics. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.